Akala ko iced tea, yun pala beer. Akala ko reverse, yun pala second gear. Akala ko kasha, yun pala hindi. Akala ko tama, yun pala mali.
Akala ko hip-hop, yung pala metal. Akala ko batis, yung pala kanal. Akala ko toothpaste, yung pala glue. Akala ko birdie, yung pala blue.
Akala ko tsinelas, yung pala sapatos.
I know how to make them stop and stare as I zone out. The club can't even handle me right now. Watching me, I go all out. The club can't even handle me right now. The club can't even handle me right now.
Can't nothing handle me right now.
I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna get up and find the broom, but then I got high. My room is still messed up, and I know why. Why, man? Yeah, cause I got high. Because I got high. Because I got high. La da 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 da. I was gonna go to class before I got high. Come on, y'all. Check it out. I could've cheated and I could've passed, but I got high. La da. I'm taking it next semester, and I know why. Why, man? Yeah, cause I got high. Because I got high. Because I got high. Go to the next one. Go to the next one. Go to the next one. I was gonna go to work, but then I got high. I just got a new promotion, but I got high. La da da. Now I'm selling dope, and I know why. Why, man? Hey.
Booty rockin' everywhere. Booty rockin' everywhere. Booty rockin' everywhere. Down to Miss New Booty. Get it together and bring it back to me. Hit the fans club for about a month or two. Put a tan on it, then see what it do. Down to Miss New Booty. Get it together and bring it back to me.
Bulilit, sanay sa masikip. Kung kumilos, kumilos, ang liit-liit. Bulilit. Kung kumilos, ang liit-liit. Pumunta ako sa kwarto ko. Ang laki-laki ng kama ko.
Still touch the sky if we crawl till we can walk again. Then we'll run until we're strong enough to jump.
Nobody but you. I want nobody but you. 난 사람은 싫어, 네가 아니면 싫어. I want nobody. 난 싫은데.
Haters ever feel me,
This bottle is bringing me down. No comfort for me in this town. All the faith in these eyes lost the glow and just dies. I pray, redeem this heart and be here now. In this war,
na talagang di mo matanggap. At huwag ang lalaki na iyong pangarap. Ngunit kung bakit ko sinabi to'y simple lang, pagkat magagandang lalaki ay naglalaro lang ng iyong oras. Pagod hirap at salapi, ngunit handang-handang